Hello everyone, my name is Aristio Septiadi. Today I will present what is it's beautiful to take a picture. Kelompok 3 Alex Majoli. Anggota kelompok Siti Sofia Ningsi, Muhammad Dimas Andika Putra, Aristio Septiadi. Alex Majoli. What is this article about? Alex Majoli is an Italian photographer known for this documentation of war and conflict. He is a member of Magnum Photos. Majoli's work focus on the human condition and theater in our everyday life. Who 5W1H sentence. Who is Alex Majoli? What makes Alex Majoli famous? When did Alex Majoli start his career? Where was he born? Why did he photograph the closure of the mental hospital? How does Alex Majoli photograph in various situations? Next. Why? The answer. Alex Majoli is a photographer and photojournalist. Majoli is known for his photographic work that focuses on the human condition and the theater of everyday life, including projects like To the Boom and Scene. He has also received various awards and published several books. Majoli was born in 1971. Began his career by photographing the closure of a mental hospital in Leros around 2000, and joined Magnum Photos in 1996, becoming a full member in 2001. Majoli was born in Ravenna, Italy, and currently lives in New York. His work also includes projects in Brazil and other locations around the world. This arose from his interest in psychiatric care and the theories of Franco Basaglia, which prompted him to explore the human condition through photography, creating work that blend fact and fiction while examining the theater of everyday life. Alex Majoli photographs people in various situations and use article lighting to emphasize and dramatize daily routines, creating scenes that blur the boundaries between documentary and art. Answer. Theater is important in documentary photography because it acknowledges that image not only capture reality but also the performative aspect of what is being photographed. It was first performed in 1921. It takes place within the context of a theater during the rehearsal process. Majoli approach influences the way we view photography by highlighting that images are not document or reality, but also the result of the process involved in creating and interpret the image. Next. Nominal and verbal sentence. Nominal. His work focuses on the human condition and the theater within our daily life. The closing of the notorious in St. Asylum on the island of Leros in Greece. His first monograph, Leros, the theories of Franco Basaglia, a pioneer of the modern concept of mental health, a compelling body of work about the multi-layered country. The idea that everyone is an actor in their own life. His role as a photographer. The thin line between fact and fiction, documentary and art. The theater, the pride and above all the magnificence of the human spirit. His impressive body of work in various public collections. Verbal. Alex Majoli born in Ravenna, Italy in 1971. He attends the Art Institute in Ravenna. His work focuses on the human condition and the theater within our daily life. Majoli's career began to develop after he photographed the closing of the Notorious in St. Ashlum on the island of Leros in Greece. This arose mainly because of his interest in the theories of Franco Basaglia. Majoli's early interest in psychiatric care led him to go to Brazil. This marked the beginning of his 20-year-long ongoing project To the Boom. Over many years, Majoli has worked as a photojournalist. He tries to integrate this by using artificial light to dramatize and otherwise daily routine. His picture become scenes in which people, through their performance, express themselves. Wait. Translate the sentence. Nominal. Karyanya berfokus pada kondisi manusia dan teater dalam kehidupan kita sehari-hari. Penutupan rumah sakit jiwa yang terkenal kejam di Pulau Leros di Yunani. Monografi pertamanya Leros. Teori Franco Basaglia, pelopor konsep kesehatan mental modern. Sebuah karya menarik tentang negara yang berlapis-lapis. Ekstrim ditemukan di sisi gelap masyarakatnya. Gagasan bahwa setiap orang adalah aktor dalam kehidupannya sendiri. Perannya sebagai fotografer. Garis tipis antara fakta dan fiksi, dokumenter dan seni, teater, kebanggaan, dan yang terpenting keagungan jiwa manusia. Karyanya yang mengesankan di berbagai koleksi publik. Verbal. Alex Majoli lahir di Ravenna, Italia pada tahun 1971. Dia menghadiri Institut Seni di Ravenna. Karyanya berfokus pada kondisi manusia dan teater dalam kehidupan kita sehari-hari. Karir Majoli mulai berkembang setelah dia memotret penutupan rumah sakit jiwa terkenal di Pulau Leros di Yunani. Ini muncul terutama karena ketertarikannya pada teori Franco Basaglia. Ketertarikan awal Majoli pada perawatan psikiatris membawanya pergi ke Brazil. Ini menandai awal dari proyek berkelanjutan selama 20 tahun To the Boom. Selama bertahun-tahun Majoli telah bekerja sebagai jurnalis foto. Dia mencoba membesar-besarkan hal ini dengan menggunakan cahaya buatan untuk mendramatisir rutinitas sehari-hari. Gambarnya menjadi adegan di mana orang mengekspresikan diri melalui penampilannya. Passive and active construction. Passive. His work focuses on the human condition and the theater within our daily life. This arose mainly because of his interest in the theories of Franco Basaglia. A compelling body of work about the multi-layered country is marked by his experience. The idea that everyone is an actor in their own life is explored by him. His role as a photographer can make people be performed in their own natural setting. The thin line between fact and fiction is proved by the friction. His work in various public collections, including the Museum of Fine Arts in Houston. He has been awarded many honors, including the Eugene Smith Memorial Fellowship. His books have been published, including One Foot and Librarian. Magnum Photos was joined by him in 1996. Aktif. Alex Majoli was born in Ravenna, Italy in 1971. He attended the Art Institute in Ravenna. Majoli's career began to develop after he photographed the closing of the Notorious in St. Ashlum. He became interested in the theories of Franco Basaglia. Majoli's early interest in psychiatric care led him to go to Brazil. He started the ongoing project Scene. He tries to integrate this by using artificial light. His picture becomes scenes in which people express themselves. Majoli finds the theater the pride and the magnificence of the human spirit. He joined Magnum Photos in 1996. Translate the construction. Karyanya berfokus pada kondisi manusia dan teater dalam kehidupan sehari-hari kita. Ini muncul terutama karena ketertarikan dari teorinya Franco Basaglia, karya yang menarik tentang negara yang berlapis-lapis ditandai oleh pengalamannya. Gagasannya bahwa setiap orang adalah aktor dalam hidup mereka sendiri dieksplorasi olehnya. Perannya sebagai fotografer dapat membuat orang-orang dipertunjukkan dalam pengaturan alami mereka sendiri. Garis tipis antara fakta dan fiksi disediakan oleh gesekan ini. Karyanya berada di berbagai koleksi publik termasuk Museum Seni Rupa di Houston. Ia telah menerima banyak penghargaan termasuk beasiswa W. Eugene Smith untuk fotografi humanistik. Bukunya telah diterbitkan termasuk One Vote dan Liberami. Magnum Photos telah bergabung dengannya pada tahun 1996. Aktif. Alex Majoli lahir di Ravenna, Italia pada tahun 1971. Ia belajar di Institut Seni di Ravenna. Karir Majoli mulai berkembang setelah ia memotret penutupan rumah sakit jiwa yang terkenal. Ia menjadi tertarik pada teori-teori Franco Basaglia. Ketertarikan awal Majoli pada perawatan psikiatri membawanya ke Brasil. Ia memulai proyek yang sedang berlangsung Sin. Ia mencoba untuk melebih-lebihkan ini dengan menggunakan cahaya buatan. Gambarnya menjadi adangan di mana orang-orang mengekspresikan diri mereka. Majoli menemukan teater kebanggaan dan kemagahan dari semangat manusia. Ia bergabung dengan Magnum Photos pada tahun 1996. Thank you.